na tayong dapat pag-usapan pa. Pabayaan mo na ako. Baka mas makakabuti to para sa ating lahat.
15 years ago, I met a young girl who bravely saved my life. Unluckily, I never even got the chance to know her name. I've always wished that someday I would get to meet her again. I'd ask her name, be friends with her, eventually maybe even fall in love with her. I promised that when that time comes, I would never let her go again. That young girl, she's standing right in front of me. And I would do everything to stop her from slipping away again. I won't allow it this time. No, Anya. I love you, Anya.
Mahal na mahal kita, Josh. Patawarin mo kung hinayaan kitang mawala sa buhay ko.
You don't have to apologize. Holly told me everything.
Si Holly? Anong sinabi niya?
Everything I need to know. I know that you try to sacrifice your own happiness for her. That makes me even more proud of you.